Hey, Barn Rat Pack, hope you're having a fantastic week. Up here, you see my collection of our license plate cutouts that we make. I've been trying to make one for every state that I've called home. We've got Ohio, we've got Kentucky, but I haven't been able to find Minnesota license plates. Well, I finally got a friend to send me some Minnesota license plates, so let's go make it today. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions about what we made or how we did it, make sure to go in the comments below. Ask your question there. Also, if you have any future project ideas, we would love to hear. If you really liked what you saw and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get notifications. Till next time, see you folks.